Well, hey there, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cerise Fairfax, and today I thought I would just show you how I live here in the Dominican Republic because a lot of you guys want to come here and live full term, and you just don't know what it would be like. Now, I do live in an area where the locals live, and I just thought I would show you my apartment, although some of you guys have seen it. I just thought I'd do a little tour because a lot more of you guys are coming to chill and live like you would in your own country. And I lived in Canada before I came. So let's just go through my day. Today is the morning time right now. Listen. Outside you can hear someone on, hear that? He's saying that he has some food for sale, platano, which is plantain, and different foods from the farmer. And he goes with the big horn throughout the streets. Many of them do, and they sell fruits and vegetables. All right, so right now I'm making myself some soup. Those are my neighbors next door. Now, my building is brand newly built, but you can see the neighbors next door have a different type of exterior, and they live very humbly. You can see I have bars on my windows. Let me show you what I'm cooking for my lunch today. Very Very simple soup. I have some mussels in there, some shrimp, and Chinese cabbage and regular cabbage. So here's the layout. This is what my floors look like, and my ceilings, my kitchen. There's my fridge and my washer. That's my washer that I bought. Now let's look over here at the neighbor's building. You can see the exterior is different than what my exterior would be, although I can't really show you my exterior because I'm on the inside. So me, I like to have a lot of soups and I like to relax. I have covers on my couches because my couches are white, and I love the tropical vibe. But my dog, sometimes she likes to go up on the couch, which I'm not always cool with. But these couches are not mine, so I do have to take care of them. And I do put my white sheets on there. Sometimes I change it up and I put blue. All right, so here's outside. This is my terrace. Here in the Dominican Republic, we call it a terrace more than a balcony. Some people, they'll call it balcon, but the more popular word is the terrace. Hey guys, I'm going to pause for just a second right now to remind you that I'm a relocation specialist here in the Dominican Republic, and I also have a great network system going on. So if you're coming here full term or if you're coming here short term, let me know, whether it's residency or getting an apartment to rent out for yourself, or perhaps to sublease and rent out on Airbnb. Anything is possible here in the Dominican Republic. I can also help you find a maid to clean your villa and cook for you, someone to pick you up from the airport, drive you around and drop you off, and almost anything else that I have not mentioned. Just give me a shout for a relocation consultation or for a consultation about knowing more about the Dominican Republic. All right, let's get back to the video. On my terrace, I have my own barbecue. I don't use it as much as I used to. And I have a few plants out here. I planted pineapple, but I had a rabbit that I was fostering for a moment, and he ate that plant up. But it's coming back out again. These are my peppers. And these are just some plants that I have growing there. That's some thyme, and then also another pineapple. I just ripped off the top, but I'm going to replant it. I have some planters over there that I just bought yesterday. So here's my view of beautiful Playa Sosua. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in the neighborhood. Beautiful sky. Look at that. Unreal. Just so beautifully picturesque. And I have my line out here. This is where I dry my clothes. I do laundry every Sunday, but sometimes I'll just wash up some things throughout the week. And this is where I usually sit when I have company. I'll put a chair there and then I'll bring that chair over. But that chair right now is outside of my bedroom because if I walk through here, I can get to my bedroom. Or if I walk through here, I can get through my bedroom. Right now, I'm having my coffee. It's morning time. Like I said, I'm cooking. And I was just watching some TV. But so this is what my bedroom looks like. I like the tropical white theme. Sometimes I'll put, like different colors. Like I'll put a red blanket on my bed to match this here. But I like the white tropical theme a lot. Now, my neighbors on my other side are right over here. This is what my neighbors look like on the other side. So quite close. But we all respect each other. And it's a good vibe. We are on that side. There's Haitians, Dominicans, and American. That's my vacuum right there. And my bathroom. This is my bathroom, and I told you I'm going to give you guys the tour, so here it is. You can see there's my perfumes and then my lipsticks and nail polishes. And there's my sink and everything like that. So I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And then you see I come out like this. And we're right back where we pretty much started. I do have a 2-bedroom. I'm going to show you my other bedroom. I don't have any sheets on the bed or anything of that nature. Here's my other bathroom. So when I have a guest, they have their own bathroom. And I don't put any sheets on the bed in the spare room. Let's see. Because I like to just have clean sheets when a person comes over to visit. But those are those are gray and black curtains because I have they match these pillowcases. And it looks really nice with white sheets and then black and gray. And then, of course, my windows are open. Hold on. Neighbor is right there. But I like to just, keep these closed out of privacy. And I actually use this room as my closet. And for my purses and for my clothes and my shoes and everything like that. And then my closet, my closet in my bedroom, I use as my desk. Let's go back in my bedroom just in case you didn't notice that. And I use my closet as my desk right there. So this is my chair. I bought that chair, but most apartments come furnished, okay? And most apartments will come with Wi-Fi and cable included in your rent. Now that's my television, but outside here in the living room, this television belongs to the apartment. So you will definitely, once you live here full term and you get a furnished apartment, you will get your little touch, your own little touch. That speaker right there is mine. Of course, those books are mine. That fan is mine. That chair is mine. All the stuff on the balcony is mine. My furniture. I I used to have it set up really nicely, but now I don't usually have much company. So I just sit there and I kick my feet up on that table right there. And I do a lot of my work from there with the TV right here. So it's my own little comfortable spot, and I really enjoy it. And I just wanted to share with you guys today how I live in the Dominican Republic, and what I'll eat on a normal day and stuff like that, because I think sometimes it's nice just to see how another person lives and what their life is like. I've been living here for over 4 years now, never left. And for me, I'm very comfortable. Um, you know, I love to stay at home. We drink out of water bottles right there. When you guys are here and you get yourself a water bottle, make sure you get yourself one of these apparatuses right here. It's a pump, and it pumps out your water for you. They're only like $1 something at the Chinese tienda. And that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys and get a little personal and upfront and show you that you can live comfortably in your own peace in the Dominican Republic and not have to worry about, having a whole bunch of furniture, especially if you're going to live long term. This is my mirror right here, but some places do come with their own mirrors. And eventually you will also put up your own curtains, whatever you like. Those are my own curtains and my own bedspreads and everything. When I came, there were bedspreads, but I replaced them all. I use my fan a lot more than I use my air conditioner, because you can see there's always a beautiful tropical breeze coming in. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Please take a moment to subscribe. Hit that like button. Don't forget to share with people who want to come here and live long term. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget that I have a talk show every Wednesday at 7 p.m. You can catch it online on Facebook or YouTube, but you can also catch it when you're in town on Channel 3 in Sosua, Cabarete, and also on channels 18 and 44 in Puerto Plata. To be a guest on my show, give me a shout. I would love to have you as a guest so we can talk about some of your favorite things that you love to do in the Dominican Republic. Have yourself a wonderful day, guys. Huge hugs, loads of love, big blesses.